यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूर्य सच्चित सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Please remember, this is just do not equate it with any value education program. ये value education शब्द इतनी बार हम लोग यूज कर चुके हैं, so people have kind of become allergic. Value everywhere. हर संस्था लेके आती हैं. But you know, this is not in that sense value education program. This is a program to transform our nation. भारत की परिवर्तन की एक प्रोग्राम है. As Dr. Vijayalakshmi said, आपका अभी पता चलेगा नहीं. कई साल की बाद ये बच्चों के साथ आप मिलेंगे, then you will understand what it has done to them and in turn what it has done to the nation. This program के माध्यम में जो दिया जा रहा है, whatever is being given, the ultimate target is the nation. At one level we are talking about individuals, teachers, students, parents, लेकिन उनकी बीच में जो हम लोग परिवर्तन चाहते हैं, the transformation of mindset which we are attempting at the level of students, teachers, etc., definitely it is meant to directly impact the nation. About 60 to 70% of the students feel completely left out. स्कूल्स के साथ, क्लास के साथ, सिलेबस के साथ कोई जोड़ नहीं है. पास मार्क्स मिल सकता है, मे बी योर परसेंटेज ऑफ पास इज वेरी हाई, बट आप सचमुच आप बात करें, इफ यू टेक असेसमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम वेरी श्योर about 60% of the students are not connected to school or the teacher or the class. So इसकी परिणाम क्या है? When they got out of class 12, they are simply clueless. इसके बाद मैं क्या करूं? क्योंकि मेरा कोई हायर एजुकेशन की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है और मैं ऐसा कोई शिक्षा प्राप्त नहीं किया जिसकी माध्यम में, जिसकी वजह से मैं समाज में अच्छा कुछ कर पाऊं. That's also ruled out for me. So they are absolutely directionless. That's why there is so much of unrest, so much of anger, so much of dissatisfaction among the youth today. Because Kendriya Vidyalaya is just one. Like that, there are so many educations, largely government schools, etc. They turn out students in large numbers after class 12. But most of the students have no idea. So इसलिए आपका शिक्षा के माध्यम में ऐसा कुछ देना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ कोई व्यवस्था जिसके माध्यम में पढ़े में जितना संभव तो करेंगे, उसके अधिक ऐसा कुछ ले जाएंगे विद्यालय के बाहर, उसके माध्यम में वो बाहर होके खड़ा हो सके. एक कॉन्फिडेंस बच्चे लोग को देना चाहिए. बिकॉज व्हेन दे लीव class 12, they are probably 17, 18 years old. They are youths actually. If you give them this, you would have done a great work as an educationist. आपके एक शिक्षक की नाते, if you give them the ability to face the challenges of life, ability to face the society, आप कैसे दे सकते हैं? ये पूरा प्रोग्राम एक विषय के आधार पर ही है. स्वामी जी का जितनी संदेश शिक्षा के बारे में जो उन्होंने कहा, to take all together, if you really condense them and take the essence, this one idea sums up the entire program, namely आत्मविश्वास और आत्मश्रद्धा. बच्चों के अंदर आप यही पैदा कर सके. If each child going out of विद्यालय goes with that self belief, ये आत्मश्रद्धा, आत्मविश्वास क्या है? मैं कर सकूं, समाज में मैं ना जीना संभव है, मैं लड़ूंगा, I will fight, I will survive, I will take life square, it's possible for me. इतना तक आप कर दें, बाकी बच्चे लोग खुद ही कर लेंगे. वो जिसके अंदर आत्मश्रद्धा जग गया, वो पढ़ाई में बहुत आगे चला जाएगा, तेजी से बढ़ेगा. और बाकी हाँ, कोई कला में, शिल्प में, कोई ही दूसरा कुछ में, प्रशिक्षण में, somewhere they will find a way of living. But essentially, this is one component, something that is very foundational, something that is very fundamental, this self-belief or Atma Shraddha. So I wish all of you a wonderful time in this workshop, but please remember, don't look upon this program as any normal value education program. It's a program that is essentially meant for transforming our nation. याद करके आप प्रोग्राम अटेंड करें, आप देखेंगे आप भी दूसरी तरह अनुभव करेंगे। हाँ, थैंक यू, नमस्कार।
The Awakening Citizen program has been happening in our Kendriya Vidyalayas for the past 5 or 6 years or more. I'm here to only give you a kind of an overview, or rather what is the expectation of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan from our teachers as far as this program is concerned. Nowadays, of late, I've been reading extensively the commentary on Bhagavad Gita by Swami Ranganathananda. Very beautifully he says, schools and colleges should provide for education which comprises 3 components: physical education, mental education, and spiritual education. How beautiful. In our schools, we are already having well-devised programs for physical education, and of course mental education. Whatever we have been doing in the classrooms through curricular and co-curricular activities is what will aid this mental development of the children given under our care. And what about spiritual education? How do we do it? And who is better than Swami Vivekananda in helping us out in this? So this is where I strongly personally feel Ramakrishna Mission has come to our rescue with a very, very concrete, institutionalized, focused program at the level of children, and not, it doesn't happen overnight. So it's a 3-year graded program suited to the age of the children, what kind of activities to conduct and how to actually promote it naturally in children. If we can really do these activities properly in the classroom, I'm sure 100% or probably 101% sure that the children develop what we aspire in them. But the most important, the program is very good, the activities are excellent, and I have interacted with a lot of teachers who have been trained and who have been delivering this in the classrooms also. Many of them told me that before taking it to the students, rather we feel we are changed, we are transformed. If any teacher has said that, I'm totally convinced that he or she will do it at her or his best in the classroom, and the result will be certainly seen. But there are also teachers who have expressed that they are not able to do. The timetable doesn't permit, the principal doesn't permit. Lot of excuses, call them excuses or maybe real difficulties. But once you come out with these excuses or difficulties or challenges, that also points out that you probably are not totally convinced with it. Any teacher who is convinced with the program, the impact it will have on the children, will certainly find a way. Where there is a will, there will be a way. So I will call upon all of you, all the teachers of Ahmedabad region who are attending today, to start attending the program with a positive attitude. Because our teachers, we have a lot of expectation, lot of faith on our teachers. And we are subjecting our teachers. Kendriya Vidyalayas are known for its teachers. The fame and name and the reputation we have earned in the organization is only and only because of the teachers that we have. But once you get convinced with the program and you start doing the activities as per the program in your classrooms involving the children, it will certainly start delivering. The impact will be seen in due course of time, certainly in your children. And this has been the experience of many, many teachers who have shared this with me. So without taking more time, I get very emotional whenever I attend the ACP training programs, and I'm really filled with gratitude for Swamiji and the entire faculty. It is not their work, but why are they coming to the schools and doing it for the sake of the nation? When they are doing it such a selflessness, I think we need to do our part in this. So I call upon all of you to give a personal attention to the training for these 2 days. So I thank Swamiji once again, and I thank Jaideep Das ji for bringing all the children all the teachers to the forum today. I'm glad to see 60 64 teachers. So this will really empower all the schools in the region with this program. Thank you very much. God bless.
Pranam Maharaj, I think after such a nice deliberation by our Additional Commissioner Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, I don't think that I need to speak. Rather, we would like to listen Swamiji, but I am very fortunate that I had the opportunity to welcome Swamiji in Jaipur. We had a very grand program over there. And Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has been a part of it right from its inception. I think in 2015, we started and we grew with the program also. I mean, this program has been all pervasive in all the Kendriya Vidyalayas now. And it's a great work. And once I met Swamiji in Ahmedabad also when he was launching the program for private school. So I had the opportunity to listen to him face to face. So far as our teachers are concerned, you have your own report. You have been visiting the school. You have been seeing everything. So that is something very great. And the beauty of the program is that, you know, we are the last person to speak. Otherwise, it is an interaction based. I mean, there is a two-way traffic, and rather the opportunity is given to the students. And modules are so designed that once you, dwell with the module, once you through with the module, we need not to preach. I mean, you know, everybody nowadays, you know, people are not very accustomed to homely or kind of lectures. But when you allow them to interact and see and discuss and infer from the module, then it becomes very potent and very practical. So I welcome you all once again. Pia Madam has been in touch with us. Darshana ji is also in touch with us for quite long. And Shruti Madam and Ashok is coordinating it here. So from our side, we are very open and we want this program to be a great success this time also. And last but not the least, teachers have done wonderful job. During the entire this pandemic period also, and we have conducted our training programs through webinars also, and we interacted with the student through online mode also. So we have found that students are also gradually picked up the new system and they have shown interest, and teachers have been very innovative in these days. So my special salute to them. And once again, I pay my respect and regard to Swamiji and would like to listen him and the entire team for this training program. Thank you very much.